Hi, I'm Lara Shah and we are doing Miracle Mondays. You can watch it on missmalini.com. Lara Shah. What is it about Lara Shah that you would like to know? Let me introduce myself. I was a non-believer. Can you believe it? I was a non-believer in astrology. But as I grew up, I took up science and I realized that there is an element of science in alternate sciences, and I studied it in detail when I realized I could see aura. So if you're in front of me, I'm going to check you out and tell you your aura, your color, and what goes wrong in your life. But otherwise, we are doing tarot reading for you, which is my forte. Also, I do visions and how to guide a person. There is so much in life that we worry about. There's so much that we need to know. There's so much of direction sometimes that we're looking for. I will tell you and guide you about your probable life path, and direction is what you will get from this messenger. Yashashwini, 4th of April 84. Your question is very clear about your failed relationships, but your name, okay, the vibration of your name, the vibration of a person, the vibration of a space is very important for any kind of progress in life. Now, for relationship progress, your own personal name vibes are not as powerful as they should be, okay? Many a times we change the vibration of the name by cosmetically adding an alphabet which we call as numerology. So I suggest an H which you add in your Ashwini, which will give you the flavor of Mercury and will also give you more positive energy in your name, and also for healthy relationships. It's also about having a good cordial relationship with everywhere, at your workplace, with people who are around you, your colleagues, everywhere. So for that, this will be perfect. The date of birth that you have, we associate it with a star called Rahu, and your name vibes with a Mars number, so it clashes. Okay, so if you make that change, it will help you. How do you make the change? Write to us and I'll give you all the details on how you make the changes and what you do further in that. As far as marriage is concerned, yes, we have good news for you. It is possible, especially 2012 and 2013. One solution for you: do something in your southwest corner that can energize that place better in whatever area that you believe in, whether it's Feng Shui, whether it's Vastu. I suggest you use the Kriya medallion that we have for the Diwali gift vouchers. Use it in the southwest, which is especially made for relationship, and then we'll see how things work out for you. Good luck. This reading is for Akila. Akila, you haven't mentioned your last name, neither do we have your birth details, but from the vision that I get of you, if you have slightly wavy hair, your medium average height, and wear spectacles, which are a little large, then I think I have your energies. Firstly, whenever there is disillusionment in our energy or in our self, our aura shifts. First and primary, have faith in yourself. Okay. Second, when you do something, whether it's love, whether it's a commitment, whether it's a work, anything, do it with your inner voice agreeing with you. Most of the times in today's life, we don't listen to our inner voice. Just give it a sound hearing, and the first voice that you hear is normally your inner voice. So trust yourself, trust your inner being. Akila, for you, the next few months are going to be challenging and a little tough, but with the help of many solutions that are available for you, a lot can happen which are good for you. Primarily, do 2-minute positive affirmation every morning or before bedtime. You can also do practice of any kind of positive affirmation or a mantra jap, anything that you believe in, at least once a day. Spend 5 minutes of yourself where you just calm yourself down and do pranayam. I'm not saying do this yoga and do that yoga. Just do pranayam. Pranayam could be any form. Just deep breathing, filling in good positive energy and removing negative energy. So that kind of breathing where you are intending for negative energies to go out of your system, you clear your aura space and your confidence will build. So I also suggest for you to wear a yellow topaz in your neck, which should be about 6 or 7 carat, and you need to cleanse it in a normal way. So send us an email and we will give you the details. Good luck for now.